Hello everyone, love to all. Now we are standing at Kaharul Upazila in Dinajpur district in a uh, onion seed production field. This is very much amazing and interesting. We provide seed and fertilizer to the farmers. The farmers are very much excellent. This is a excellent production. So we will take a seed from this field. We have to produce our seed for our need. It is a field for seed production. This is our new agriculture era, and it will be helpful for farmers. There are two farmers in our field. We see the farmers are happy. I want to ask a question. Our farmers, how do you feel to see this field? আপনাদের কেমন লাগতেছে ফিল্ড দেখে?
ভালো লাগতেছে।
ভালো লাগতেছে না?
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ।
আপনারা কি খুশি পেঁয়াজের বীজ এই ফিল্ড দেখে?
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ, খুশি, খুশি।
খুশি তাই না?
হ্যাঁ।
Also, thanks to all our farmers. They are very much happy to cultivate this seed production of onion. It will be helpful our new agriculture. It will helpful for development our agriculture. So, love to all. Goodbye, everyone.